Hello, my most amazing artist. Today what we're going to do, I'm just going to show you some simple procedures on how to create the Shrinky Dinks. Basically it's just shrink film. This is plastic. Some of you have probably even done this before. You're going to make some charms today, and this is the size sheet you'll get. I think it's like 4 inches by 5 inches. You can do one design, one big design, or you can do 2 smaller designs. And you can see I've already started doing a smaller design here at the top half. On your table, on your trays, you guys are going to have all these templates. There's some different things you can choose. I just have a couple here. You can see right here I've started doing the fish. And when you get the Shrinky Dink film, there's a shiny smooth side and there's a rough cloudy side. You're going to put the rough cloudy side so it faces up, and you're just going to place that on the image that you want. You're going to use a black Sharpie and you're just going to trace that image. If somebody else at your table wants one of these images, you guys could cut it out, or they could wait a second. It only takes a minute to trace. If they want the exact same one, they'll just have to wait a second. So you're going to go ahead and trace it gently, trace it nice. When you're finished, take it off. Give this to the person that wants it, and then you're going to be using some colored pencils to color it in. And again, you're going to color on that same side, that kind of cloudy side, and you're just going to take your time. I might skip a few here, and you're just going to color in the lines as nice as you can. These colored pencils, these happen to be Prismacolor, and I gotta tell you, if your parents get you, or not your parents, but whoever, your grandparents, whoever want to give you a gift, these Prismacolors are the best. They're just really creamy. You can see they go on really nice. Once you are finished coloring it neatly, you're going to go ahead and carefully cut it out. Please don't freak out about cutting exactly on this line. You don't have to do that. You may want to do that. With this fish, it doesn't look too bad. I could cut out exactly on that line, okay? If you don't want to and you just want to cut around it, that's perfectly fine too. Just make sure it looks nice as you're going around when you cut it. Don't have any sharp edges, because once we put that in the oven, it might get a little sharper. Hopefully not. I've got space here to do another one, so I'm just going to look at these. I could do the rainbow. I could do Patriots. Okay, so it's up to you. You would just trace that, color it. When you're ready to cut it, just careful with the scissors, just carefully cut it out. I want to show you how I cut some of these others. This is one that I finished already. This is the shiny, this is the rough side. And you can see that I didn't cut right on the edge. Make sure when you use your hole puncher and you punch your hole that you come down far enough that you're not too close to the edge. We're going to use that hole to put a little chain through so that you can hang these on your backpack or zipper pull or wherever you want. And here's just a couple other ones that I did. But you can see how I didn't cut exactly, but I was trying to be neat. When it is time to go, you're going to be kind of in the middle of this. I doubt many of you are going to be finished with both of these with it hole punched and everything, which is fine. We're going to be doing this. It'll take us 2 weeks. There should be several of these on your tray. You're going to get it, write your name, class code. You're going to take your sheet. Now, if you've also cut one, maybe you're finished and you cut one out already, and you've also got this, take them both. Take this sheet with your name on it, and you're going to put it here. Let me move this. We're pretending this is your project here and here, even though it's really only this. You're going to take this that you have, parchment paper, put it on top, put your name, open this, and make sure all those pieces get in there. And then your name is here. You don't even need to zip this, just kind of fold it over, and you can give that to your captain, and then they'll bring those to me. And then we'll continue working on it next week. Okay. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.
Just tell me what to want.